What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And now the Galaxy S23 Ultra design has been confirmed and it has been also in the CAD renders we have seen. It will be more of an identical towards the S22 Ultra of the current generation. Apart from that, the new renders also show that it will be a bit of a more boxier design and it will be more inspired by the Note series which the Samsung laid rest to last year. Well, not only that, it will also be coming with the Exynos processor in some of the market. Well, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor will be there for more maximum of the market for the Samsung, but it can also be coming with the Exynos 2300 rather than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 in some of the market, and it will be very limited market this time. Well, the battery capacity will be similar to with the S22 Ultra only, which is 5000 mAh battery, and the charging speed will be limited to 45 watts only. Samsung is rather playing it safe than going to push the charging speed and the battery capacity of this phone, as we have seen recently that the Samsung old phones are getting swallowed, and because of that the battery, Samsung is still facing the issues with its battery fiasco. Well, apart from that, the S23 Vanilla Edition will be coming with a similar 25 watts of fast charging support, and this point of time we cannot call a 25 watt even a fast charging also. Well, the main camera will be of the S23 Ultra will be of 200 megapixel, and it will be coming at 1 by 1.3 inches of sensor, and it will be maximum and it will be larger than the Apple's iPhone 14 Pro Max, but it will be smaller than the some of the Android flagships we have seen in the market. Well, this camera is not being released and it's an unreleased ISOCELL HP2 sensor and not the HP1 sensor which we have seen in the recently launched Motorola H30. Well, what do you think about this smartphone and your thoughts on Galaxy S23 Ultra and its design? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you like this video then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the very next one.